How to manage your Dua Baby Crib mobile from the comfort of your bed with your Dua Baby remote. Remove the battery isolator tab from your remote. Use the on button on your soundbox to switch on. Your remote on button will not work unless you use your soundbox button to switch it on. The default setting when you turn on your soundbox is that all the audio files will repeat and the Crib mobile will rotate. Press this button to go to the next sound. Press this button to go to the previous sound. Press this button to pause the sound and Crib mobile rotations. Press it again to play. Press and hold this button to increase the volume. Press and hold this button to decrease the volume. Press this button to mute the sound while Crib Mobile continues to rotate. Press again to unmute. Press this button to stop the Crib Mobile rotation while the sound continues to play. Press it again to continue the Crib Mobile rotation while the sound continues to play. Press this button to customize the sound to your preferred style. Press this button to repeat one sound over and over. Press it again to repeat all sounds. Press this button to switch off. For full power off, please use the button on your sound box. Press this button to turn on, only if it was switched off with the remote. It will not switch on from the remote if it was powered off from the sound box button. I hope you love your Dua Baby Crib mobile. Please let us know with an Amazon review. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest Dua Baby product launches.